If you get the P0335 code, that means the engine computer isn't getting a proper signal from the crankshaft position sensor. Without it, the engine can misfire, stall, or not start at all. Before you run out and buy a new sensor, here are the most common causes for this code. So number one is the failed crankshaft position sensor, as I said. Over time, heat, vibration, and oil contamination can kill the sensor. When it fails, the signal becomes weak and disappears entirely. The fix obviously is to replace it with an OEM or equivalent part. Make sure the connector is clean and tight. Then clear the code and test drive the car for at least 20 minutes. Number two cause is damage or corroded wiring and connectors. Chafed wires, loose pins, and corrosion can cut off the signal to the computer. The fix over here is to inspect the harnesses, clean the contacts, repair or replace damaged wiring, and secure it away from heat and moving parts. Cause number three is dirty sensor, face, or tone wheel. So metal shavings, rust, or grime can block the magnetic reading. The fix is to remove the sensor, clean the tip and the tone wheel, then reinstall everything. If the wheel is badly rusted or pitted, replace it. Cause number four is damage or missing teeth on the tone wheel. A missing or bent tooth means that the sensor sees an incomplete signal. This is why you're getting the error. The fix is to replace the tone wheel completely or crank pulley assembly if the damage is more severe. Cause number five, mechanical timing issues. If the timing belt or chain jumps a tooth, the crank and cam signal go out of sync. The fix is to check the timing marks. If they don't line up, retime the engine and replace the worn belts, chains, or tensioners. And finally, this is very rare, but I need to mention it. Number six is a faulty PCM or ECM, the engine computer. Only after checking everything else should you suspect the engine computer, because this is expensive to replace usually, especially if you have a more recent car. You can get cheaper computers from eBay or maybe from your scrapyard, but most of the time they will need to be reprogrammed at your garage. Make sure they have the tools to do that. That's what's really behind most P0335 codes. Fixing it quickly can prevent breakdowns and costly repairs. If this helped you, hit the like button, the subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Maybe I forgot something. Type a comment down below. I'm sure it could be helpful for many other people. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.